Hey guys, it's Jenna and today I'm going to show you how to make glow in the black light slime. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to make it. I haven't tried it before, but I thought why not trying it? Like an experiment, testing experiment. So yeah, let's get started. First you want to add the amount of glue you want in your bowl. I'll be right back when I'm finished adding the glue. So I added as much as glue as I want to. So next you want to take your marker and open the bottom of it and take the little ink thing. So next you want to take your little bowl with glue and just squeeze it in. Be careful it doesn't stain your hands because it's gonna be like so hard to get it out of your hand. And I require using gloves for this step. So yeah, you want to use gloves for this step. None of them is on them. So yeah, it's just coming in my hand. Just gonna squeeze it like that. There. So some of it is in there. So now you're gonna go ahead and mix it. And here's how it looks when I've mixed it. So next you wanna add your water in it. You're gonna add a little bit of water. So you're gonna just mix it until it becomes slimy, and there you have it, slime. So I'm gonna be mixing it and I'll be right back. So here's how the slime turned out. Okay, it's still sticky to my hands because I haven't kneaded it well. So I'm gonna turn on the black light and we're gonna see if it's a fail or if it worked. So yeah, let's get started. So it turned out to be a fail. Yeah, I'm really so like sorry that it's a fail. I'm sad because I wanted glow in the black light slime, but it didn't work. But now I have yellow slime, which is cool. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. What do you want me to do next? Maybe I'm gonna do another one which is gonna be not a fail. So maybe I'm gonna do it. So hopefully it's gonna be not failing. So yeah, I'm gonna go turn the light on. So yeah, let's turn out so yeah, but it looks pretty cool to me, and I'm gonna call this marker slime. So yeah, it's really cool. Thanks guys for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. And bye. Have a sweet day.